The Wolfbox 12 mirror dash cam is the perfect dash cam for people who care about safety. This dash cam features a high-resolution 12 touchscreen display to offer you an incomparable viewing experience. It also comes with a rear camera to offer you a broad view. The rear camera can record at 1080p, while the front camera captures everything at 720p. The WDR technology enables the Wolfbox dash cam to adjust exposure to compensate for dark areas throughout the scene without losing details in the highlights. It also comes with a built-in G sensor that automatically locks important videos to protect important footage. The built-in parking monitor offers 30-minute parking recording, which prevents you from getting a ticket for expired meter. The latest technology features are all packed into this high-quality dash cam, making it one of the best dash cams in the market. The Wolfbox dash cam works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The self-recording allows you to focus on driving rather than recording. Specification: color, black. Are batteries included? Yes. Brand: Wolfbox. Screen size: 12. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 11.85 by 2.83 by 0.71 inches. Video capture resolution: 1296p. Display type: LCD. Control method: touch. Battery cell composition: lithium polymer.